This next little girl is a blue turquoise tinted lace wing. She's a beautiful little girl. She has got lace that runs down the whole side of her wings. She was born on September 22nd, 2013, and her father is a beautiful royal blue, and her mother is a true turquoise. So she is split to turquoise. I don't call her a turquoise because she has the lace factor that runs down her wings, and her entire body is a turquoise tinted. It's a very rare color, and she's a very sweet bird. She's hand-fed. She's never been in here before, so she's a little nervous right now, but she doesn't bite, and she'd make a wonderful pet for someone. If you're interested in her, her number is P1040, P1040 on my website, luckyfeathers.com. If you have any questions at all, you can just give me a call. Thank you.